on, everyone? NEIRO is about to take off. That's what we're about to talk about today. I have a jam-packed video for you guys today, and it is going to be good. Anyways, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's go over this. So as you can see, NEIRO is at 0.00038. It is about to take off, and I'll explain why. As you can see, the 24-hour trading volume at this current point is at 49 million, market cap at 160 million. 24 hours is up 6.3%, 14% up in the last 7 days. And then we got 700% in last year. Let's talk about what NEIRO is about to do and how I know when coins are about to take off. So for one, I'm looking at the top trending cryptos for today. But see, before the top trending cryptos get to upgrade to the next level of the top gainers, they usually start to trend before they start to have those actual gains. That's exactly what's happening for NEIRO. Even though NEIRO's up 6.3%, it could be up a lot. It could be up 60%. It could be up 100%, 200%, right? But right now it's just bubbling up, and it's bubbling up in the trending section. So when people see that, they typically start to buy it. So anyways, we are seeing that NEIRO is bubbling up in the trending section here on CoinGecko, right? The holders at 25.4K. Binance actually holds the most at 52%. And then they have multiple wallets that also hold a lot of NEIRO as well. So Binance is super bullish on NEIRO. So that's pretty much what that means. And the distribution amongst the wallets is pretty good outside of Binance, but Binance probably won't dump it. But yeah, outside of Binance, the distribution is extremely well, right? It is your average meme coin, right? Is the sister of Doge. That's pretty much what they call it. Built on Ethereum. No roadmap, just a meme coin and what a meme coin is supposed to be, right? And that's what they've been doing. And yeah, they've been working hard. They've been posting. They've been making sure NEIRO gets the shine that it deserves. But what you want to look at here is the charts. So let's go over the charts because this is what everybody wants to see. All right. What we see here, first things first, on the %R trend exhaustion for these charts, you can first see that we are actually looking bullish here. So when we get these blue bars here with the blue upward arrow for the %R trend exhaustion, that's usually an indicator that we are actually about to have a reversal inside the price. So it's about to go back up. The white line being the short-term trend, the blue line being the long-term trend. Look at what happened back here when we got the blue bars. Yeah, it threw up multiple blue bars and it started right around here. But this was the first note to tell you guys, hey, we're dropping. And then boom, we just kept going down. Another blue bar with that arrow came up and went up a little bit, but that was a false breakout. Started to go back down again. So there's the possibility that this could be a false breakout, but eventually it does tend to break out, right? Eventually. So yes, there is a possibility it could be a false one, but that is still a potential for huge gains. Like the last one that we had, the last breakout was 245%. This small gain right here was 245%. So you got to understand how, super bullish that is. Like that's super bullish. Now, it didn't take that long for it to do that either. So if you look at this started around this area here. So that 245%, that was about, bring it right here, about 7 days. So that was a week. So it took a week for it to do that 245%. So hypothetically speaking, if we were to have some type of gains again that were similar, what would that look like? So it probably wouldn't be 245%, like another 245%, or it could be, but then it would have to go up to this resistance at 0.001. So I'm actually targeting that price right there. So 0.001 is one of the target prices. And then also we're looking at this Fibonacci, which is also 0.0008. So 0.0008, which is about 120%, or 0.001, which is about 244%. And again, I'm doing this purely based off the technicals and the indicators that we're seeing here. We got a signal here. It's showing that it's about to have a bullish reversal. The trend is about to switch to the upside. That's what the %R trend exhaustion is showing us that the downtrend has been exhausted. And then when you look at this and confirm it with the MACD, The MACD is showing that it's switching to the upside. We're seeing buying pressure coming in for the MACD. We're seeing those little green candlesticks. So we should see more buying coming in for the MACD. By the way, this is on the daily chart. So if we look at the 4-hour chart, it looks a little bit different. On the 4-hour chart, very bullish. I mean, the MACD on the 4-hour is just a lot of buying pressure. We are seeing hints of weakening here. We can see this lightly green shaded candlestick is indicating that there are sellers coming into the market right now. The white line for the %R trend exhaustion up here at the top, like I said before, is the short-term trend. Notice how the short-term trend on the %R trend exhaustion is now starting to kind of get overbought, and it's all the way up here at the top. But the long-term trend is still not overbought. The long-term trend is still trending towards the top. So we still have some more upwards pressure. We still have some more purchasing that could go on here on the 4-hour chart. So like I said, it is bullish. I do see us going up here inside of the price for NEIRO pretty soon. So we'll see if it actually does that. Targeting 0.0008. If we were to stop halfway there, you would definitely want to look at the lower areas as well. So our minor resistance areas that we can kind of make out, based on previous performance, right? Which is about this level here, 0.0006. That is a minor resistance area that we have. So if we are to, continue on our uptrend, there is a possibility we stop at 0.0006 and get rejected there. So that is something that you have to watch out for as well. That would give us a 60% gain from where we are now. So there's 3 possible chances for NEIRO here. All of them are pretty bullish. So either we're going to see it getting up to 0.0006 and get 60% inside of gains, or we go up to 0.0008 and we get 120% gains, or we go up to 0.001 and we get 240% gains. So that's what it's looking like here for NEIRO. Either way, it's about to go up. We just don't know if it's stopping here, right here, or right here. So we got 3 different levels that we want to watch out for here for NEIRO. Anyways, this is all I got for you all today. Just kind of wanted to bring you that gem. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research, all that good stuff. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. Remember, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next. This video was requested by someone. So if you guys want me to go over a project and check it out for you guys and do a technical analysis, let me know and I'll go over that for you guys. As always, I'll be back with another video.